Hi, welcome back to Ask Nerces, presented by Autoscope. MrDallasSocialite is asking about what type of important maintenance is too often overlooked on the 90 era's Porsches. Well, there's a couple of big ones. One of the main ones was the brake fluid flush. It was significant because it used a hydroelectric boost system. And if it does get compromised because of the moisture, the parts for that will be very hard to find and very expensive. That was a major number one. And there's another one that's huge. It's the oil changes on these cars. They must have no more than 5,000 miles on them. And the oil must have the extreme pressure additive called ZDDP, which is a organic, it comes with an organic with zinc and phosphates. Otherwise the camshaft and the rockers will fail, which will flush your wallets. So thank you, MrDallasSocialite. And if you do have any questions like MrDallasSocialite here, please comment below. We would love to feature you on Ask Nerces, presented by Autoscope, on our next show. So